stop that. Jesus was good in every way. He never did anything wrong, not one single sin. But many people loved Jesus and welcomed him. But some leaders didn't believe Jesus, God's Son, and they wanted to stop him. Those leaders didn't know, but we know Easter is coming. One night, Jesus and his friends shared a special feast. They prayed together and ate together. Jesus even washed their feet. But one man named Judas wasn't really Jesus' friend. Judas sneaked away to meet with the mean leaders and to set a trap for Jesus. Judas didn't know, but we know Easter is coming. After the feast, Jesus went to pray, and he knew what was coming, and he was sad and afraid. Then an angry crowd rushed up to Jesus. They grabbed him and took him away. That angry crowd didn't know, but we know Easter is coming. Those people told lies about Jesus. They said he had to die. So Jesus was put on a rough wooden cross, and all the world's sins were placed on him. Every bad thing, every mean word, every lie, Jesus was punished for them all. When he died, it was a dark, sad day, because the world didn't know, but we know Easter is coming. Jesus' friends placed his body in a tomb. For 2 days they waited and worried and wondered, how could this be God's plan? They didn't know, but we know Easter is coming. Mom, would you stop that?